Hi, my name is Cliff Williams. I've recently, 2 years ago, retired as the corporate maintenance manager for a chemical company based in Canada, IRCA Worldwide. And I still do consulting for a company called People and Processes in the US and my own company, which is TMS Asset Management. So I still keep busy, even though I've given up one big job. I've been involved with PEMAC for quite a number of years. In fact, I started teaching at the MMP course some 20 years ago when it was only taught in one college. It was Durham College in Ontario. And since then, I've helped develop the courses. I was part of the team that developed the Certified Asset Management program. I've taught all of those courses. I've revised many of those courses. I've been involved in work with the GFMAM, with their revision, and the inclusion of the municipalities and the FCM awards and those types of things that we've done. So I've had a lot of involvement with PEMAC over the years and enjoyed every minute of it. Of course, I've mentioned all of those things, and the reality is that I get much more out of it than I put into it. It's been a great experience. As I tell every class that I teach, is that I'm going to learn perhaps as much, if not more, than they're going to learn. And it's been the same for all of the experiences with PEMAC. I did forget to mention my involvement with MainTrain, which I've appeared at more times than I care to remember. But that, again, has been a huge part of it, of getting so much out of being involved with PEMAC. When we talk with people after the presentations and even get in touch with emails and keep in touch with people, you get so much out of it, and really it's really fulfilling. Now, of course, PEMAC is totally reliant on the volunteers, and if there's anyone out there that's thinking about volunteering, I definitely recommend it. As I mentioned just a little while ago, is you get so much out of it. You get involvement, you build relationships, you see the insights of where before you would just see an announcement. You'll understand what's happening and what's driving those announcements. Really, it's very rewarding, and it's very enlightening. And it certainly helps when you are able to take what you're doing with PEMAC and take it into your own realm and go with your organization and see how they can benefit with it. So absolutely take any opportunity you can to volunteer with PEMAC. You really do build great relationships, and you really do have a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed everything I've done with PEMAC, and sometimes you can develop notoriety. And my notoriety, or my infamy, stems from leading a group of people who were attending the MainTrain in Saskatoon, and I led the group in karaoke and the village people singing YMCA. My dancing was well known, and for months afterwards, I would go to a conference or do some training, and somebody would say, "Aren't you the guy that was doing YMCA?" And I just laugh, and it still, even today, is mentioned when I get together with people. So have a lot of fun with it. It is really worth it.